Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad that you're watching this video today. Well, if you're like me and probably other RVers out there, or maybe people just at their house need to place a flag somewhere, but everywhere you place it or everything that you've come across just doesn't really work for you. I, for one, do not want to drill into my RV so I could put up the flag. And that's one of the big issues. Now, we've had a couple different flag holders. We had one where we had an old Class A, and I drilled into the front and put two class up there. I put two, but those fell apart so quickly. And then we bought one that goes into the hitch, and it's a telescopic one that goes way up in the high. But that thing flipped and goes like this. It just didn't really work for us. And so as I began with our new RV and we began thinking about how we're going to do this, I built a PVC flagpole, which held two of those. I don't have a video on it, or maybe I do. I might have a little bit. What can I do to be able to do that? Well, I finally found the solution. That's right, I finally found the solution, and it's as simple as five things that you need to put together. So simple, I can't believe we haven't thought of this before now. So stay tuned, because here we go. Well, as I said before, we've done all kinds of different tricks and tips of trying to put the flag up, and none of them really took root. None of them really just really plugged in. Anyway, this is the point I want to make. I think that I have found a great way to display your flags and your colors, and the easiest possible way to do it. And it's going to blow your mind. So check out this picture right here. That's how we are flying our flags nowadays. Now, it's a very simple thing to put together here to be able to fly your flag. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is open this up, this flagpole holder, the bracket itself, and it comes with some screws and stuff. You're not going to need these today. And then, of course, the simple, most easiest way to do it is to just disconnect these brackets right here. You have the brackets. We're going to unscrew that bracket again. Make sure you're screwing it and not unscrew it. Okay, those are two brackets. I got a screwdriver, okay, or you can get a little wrench that will go on top of these little nuts right here. Again, I just bought these at one of the home stores that you can get. Next thing is you're going to put your flag, your holder on it like this. You want to loosen this up a little bit so it will go up in the air, so you're not really having to deal with that part. But what you're going to do is you're going to put it on just like that, and then you're just going to take this and put it around here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to take time to just kind of get a little bit of to get it pretty tight so I can put it on here. So I tightened that enough up to where it'll kind of stay right there in place. So now what I want to do is to flip it over and continue to tighten this up until I get a good snug fit. I don't want to tighten it all the way down yet because I may need to make some adjustments, but I just want it to stay on there really good. Alright, so that's going to stay on there. Now, the adjustment we are going to have to make, you may want to lift it, push it forward or push it back to make sure it's kind of almost centered, if you will. Now, there's a couple things you can do, but you can put this with zip ties. This is the first one that I did. I zip tied it on first, and then I went ahead and put these clamps on. But the way that it's working now, these clamps look like they're going to work fantastic. And so let me get this one on, and we'll go on and show you what else to do. All right, so what you should have once you've done that, remember, it's just these two hose clamps attached to this, the flagpole bracket itself, which we attach to this safety holder or helper that you can get in and out of the tub with. So we have that on there. It looks pretty doggone straight. They actually just need to decide which is going to be up and down. The reason I like this one is because you can actually move it to where you want to. So it's flexible. And so you can move it where you want to, and all you have to do is a screw nut and tighten it up. So that's what you should look like right there. All right. Now we're going to put this easy beasy flagpole on here, and I will. It's called a Seasonal Design Incorporated. I'm going to go ahead and put their website and everything on there, where you can get it and everything. It comes in this nice fancy little plastic organizer here, and the packaging is really nice, really thick. And so basically it just fits in here like this. You just put it in. You gotta hold it because it spins, so you just turn it just like this. All right. It comes with two of these, and it comes with a clip on top. What you do need to make sure is you need to make sure that this that's tight and on there. And then we're not going to use both of these little things. We're only going to use one because we're going to clip it at the top and then tighten it down down here. So I'm going to actually take this one off and keep it in a safe place that I'll probably forget, and then go ahead and put on our flag. Well, here we are. We have it. You see the two of them sitting there. You got the American flag, you got the Christian flag right there, and just like I said, it only took just a few things to do. Just a simple process. I put it together in less than probably 7 minutes to include the flag. And here's the great thing about these. You can put them anywhere you want to. If you want to put your flag up in front, well, then put it up in front. If you want to put it all the way back here in the back, well, you can put it all the way back here on the back. And it will go on anything. Sorry about the wind, but it will go on anything that has a flat, smooth surface. So you can put it on your window, you can put it over there on the front, even probably on the front cap, which I have not tried yet, but I'm sure if you find a good flat spot there, it will probably go right there. Well, that's it. That's how easy it is. Folks, it was very easy to do. Within 7 minutes, I accomplished it. All you had to do is make sure you got the right parts. And I'll put the part list down below. But before anything else happens, I just want to tell you that there's going to be a video I want you to watch. Similar to this one. If you're interested in this one, begin just to watch it. It's going to be right up here. Go ahead and click on that now, and I will see you on the next video.